Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by getting both devices ready and connected. Make sure your Mac and phone are on the same Wi-Fi network or plan to plug the phone in via USB for reduced latency. Install the phone mic app and the matching Mac receiver. This pairing is what forwards audio. Once installed, grant microphone access on both devices so the system can capture sound. Doing this first avoids permission errors later and ensures the audio path is open before you proceed to routing. Next, route the phone's audio into the Mac so apps can use it. Launch the receiver on your Mac and select your phone from the device list. The app typically creates a virtual input device. Then open System Settings, go to Sound, and pick that virtual device as the input. Adjust sample rate and gain inside the receiver to match your use case. Higher sample rates increase quality, but marginally increase CPU. Make sure levels peak without clipping so recordings and calls sound clean and natural. Finally, choose the virtual input inside the app you'll use, Zoom, OBS, or any DAW, so they capture your phone's mic. Do a short test recording and listen for latency. If you hear delay, plug the phone in via USB and reselect the device to reduce it. If audio doesn't appear, quit and relaunch the receiver and the target app, then re-choose the virtual input. Also recheck microphone permissions. Toggling them often forces the OS to refresh the connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.